Hello, hello, and welcome back one more time to the Travel Bug Feeling channel, now with the Vespicha. Okay, I'm heading to the hills of San Pedro. I'm going to do a dirt road with this Vespicha today. Deal is that I'm going to use the drone because there will be some adventures coming up now in the end of the year 2024, and I want to use this tool of video for that. And I'm going to use there just to check what it is like to use some of the resources the drone have. My drone is a little bit old and it's been a long time I don't use Vespicha for the road like this. Any who's in any house. Let's do it then. I'll go to San Pedro first, then San Pedro. So I decided to get a detour here, and look what I have. What happened to my... Oh, bloody hell! I almost fell on a puddle of mud because it's been raining today. It's been 2 days that it doesn't rain, but today it's sunny. But now it's still a little bit soaked wet. Some parts of it, part of the game, right? My boots. Okay, so it's full of these puddles and I don't know exactly what to do. I'm gonna try here. Yeah, it's really muddy. Oh no. Fucking there. Okay, I just left Água de São Pedro. It's there. I'm going towards São Pedro and the hills of São Pedro with a lot of mud. Quite nice, but yeah, I mean, there was a time that it was a little bit stuck in the mud. Yeah, and it's all dirt now. So let me go to 60 per hour here because there are some speed cameras around and the police up there. Okay, so here we're leaving San Pedro and getting into the hills of San Pedro and ITIRAPINA and all these places. There's a lot of motorcycles here. There's a V-Strom in front of me. Nice. Now it's going to be a little bit hard because of Vespicha. Let's go. We're going up there and fly the drone. I reckon the cars they go slower than me. Everybody decided to come here today. Oh, look at that. They put something here. Oh, I love something. It's impossible to park, to stop there. Okay, done. Let's go faster now. Okay, I'm gonna stop here on top just to drink some water. There's a place here. There's a lot of big motorcycles. Look at that. Ooh, lot of ones, big ones. I'm gonna park a little bit here. Wish there's a lot of people. A lot of motorcycles here. Let's go. Okay, so now I am going towards Brotas, but I'm going to turn right in Patrimonio, which is there's a lake and everything. Then I'm going to start flying the drone, see what it is like, and get back to the road here via Saltão and Casorova waterfalls. Look how cool this road is. There's a waterfall here called Dorigon. Anyway, let's go. Okay, I just arrived in Patrimonio, where there's this lake, beautiful lake, where you can come with your family and spend the day and swim. It's really cool, actually. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm going to get this dirt road back to Casorova waterfall and go back to São Pedro, to near where I was before. I think it's here. Here you go. It's written here, Serra do Itaqueri, Brotas. I don't know. I reckon it's here. Yeah, Cachoeira do Astor waterfall. Did I come? Yeah, I think I came from here. Oi, doggy. Stay. Okay, there's a dam here. Nice. Oh yeah, this one. Eco Parque Jacaré. Eco Parque Jacaré. All right. Play just to do the drone to see if it works. Let me go a little bit further, then I'm going to fly again. Here we go to Cachoeira do Astor. I don't know why there is this. Oh, it's the police. Okay, the police. Wait, there's a nice bridge there. Nice forest. Okay, let's try the drone again and check what it is like. Okay, so let's fly. I'm gonna put it there a little bit. Let's see. Go fly. Take off. Okay, so now let's see if it goes with me. Is it going? It's not coming. No. Come here, come here. Come closer. Now you come. Is it like this? Not coming. No, you're not coming. So now, yeah, here we are in over São Pedro's hill, ITIRAPINA, and there are a lot of waterfalls around here, and it's not tracking. What is shit? Why you're not tracking me? Okay, after flying the drone here, I'm heading back to Piracicaba. Let's see what's gonna be like this place here. I think it's not so bad. Yeah, didn't see the time coming. Okay, it's a lot of cyclists around. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to fly the drone like I try to do. I'll see the images when I come back home now. And here is the escorregador slider. Okay, there are some animals, be careful. Okay, let's go down the hill now. Let's go down the hill and then we're done. There's a new I love São Pedro there. Oh, sorry, I love São Pedro. They're gonna take a picture. These guys here, you take a picture of these guys, and actually they take a picture of us, and then you go to the website and you just buy the picture. Okay, let's go down the hill, see if we can stop there. And I love São Pedro. Okay, there's a police here, so maybe not. Maybe we cannot stop. Look, I love São Pedro. Let's do it, mate. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more and more and more and more adventure around Brazil, the world, everywhere, anywhere.